Performance? Performance measurement with DSSs brings into discussion, along the technical aspect, from operational systems, the user satisfaction aspect, form the business objective-oriented point of view of analytical systems. There are two main types of performance, Agarwala et al., 2006. Raw technical performance related to the technical indicators for measuring system performance, such as response times for recovering data from the data warehouse, report generation, data calculation etc. Objective performances relating to user expectations. These measures are based on predefined policies and rules that indicate whether or not satisfactory levels are achieved by the system, for example response time relative to the importance of the data warehouse or with the user activity. Retaking the example shown by the authors of Agarwala et al., 2006, a detailing of the COES formula is shown below. And the basic single parameter COES is computed by the ratio between the monitored values and the specified expected values. If several parameters are responsible for a global COES, then a scaling factor is multiplied with each individual COES, and, in the end, an average of all the scaled COES is computed to obtain the overall system COES value. The data warehouse quality model is goal-oriented and roots from the goal question metric model. Whether metrics satisfy or not the goal determines the quality of the data warehouse, Vassiliadis et al., 1999. Data warehouses must provide high COES, translated into features such as coherency, accessibility and performance, by building a quality meta-model and establishing goal metrics through quality questions. The main advantage of a quality-driven model is the increase in the service levels offered to the user and implicitly increase in the user satisfaction. COES specifications are usually described by the SLAs and the SLOs. We have seen what SLAs stand for. In a similar manner, SLOs describe service objectives, but on a more specific levels. For example, a SLA would describe that an application is critical on the first week of each month, whereas the SLO would state that during critical periods the query response time on the data marts used by the application should not be greater than ones. With DSSs and data warehouses, one important area where service levels are crucial is the utilization periods, in direct link with the answer to the question, what is used, by whom and when. Data warehouse high charge periods are specified with SLAs. When building a new DSS and putting in place the data warehouse architecture, the utilization periods are specified for the various applications. To paraphrase a study from Oracle, the key to enterprise performance management is to identify an organization's value drivers, focus on them, and align the organization to drive results. Oracle, 2008.